Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to the channel. So today is a quick one. I just want to show you guys something very important you need to start doing, and that is start taking this tea. What tea is this? This is soursop leaf tea. Okay, so why am I telling you to take soursop leaf tea? Soursop leaf has numerous health benefits, and this is soursop leaf. Okay, so you can get soursop leaf anywhere. If you can't find it around you, you can buy it online. It is sold on Amazon and on any online shop. You can get soursop leaf, dried soursop leaf. Okay, it is packaged and sold, so you can get it. So luckily, I have this in my garden. I planted this personally for its health benefit. Because of its health benefit, because I know about it, I know what this leaf can do, I planted it in my garden. Okay, so guys, I want to share with you what you can benefit from taking soursop leaf tea. Soursop leaf is a powerful, like it's a powerhouse. It has antioxidants in it. It contains compounds that can help fight cancer. So if you're a woman, start taking soursop leaf tea. The way cancer is now rampant, like people here and there suffering from breast cancer and all that. This is the reason I decided to make this video, to educate us, to enlighten us, to make us know about the importance of soursop leaf. Start taking it. It contains a compound. I'll leave the name of that compound on the screen. I don't have strength to start pronouncing big words. So that compound helps to fight cancer cells. Okay, so don't wait until you fall sick. Start taking soursop leaf tea. Towards the end of the video, I'll tell you how to take it. Okay, I just want to mention the health benefits, let you know about this leaf, educate you on what you need to know about this leaf. Okay, so it has antioxidant properties in it that helps fight free radicals and all those bad things that damage our immune system and all that. Okay, so soursop leaf has it. It also has that property I mentioned that fights cancer cells. Okay, so that is it. Then it has many other properties, even properties that are good for your skin. For those of you looking to achieve beautiful skin, bright skin, acne-free skin and all that, start taking soursop leaf tea. Sometime in the past, I battled with acne. But since I started taking soursop leaf tea, I have achieved this bright skin that even without makeup, I can go wherever I want to go. Okay, so soursop leaf tea contains, properties that will help maintain your skin, that will help you, achieve clean and beautiful skin right from the inside. That is why I have come here today to show you, so you can see my own soursop leaf tea. So like I said, towards the end of the video, I will tell you how to make this tea for its best benefit. Okay, yeah, soursop leaf tea also helps to boost your immune system. Like when you start taking this tea, you will fall sick less often. In fact, for the past 20 years, I have not fallen sick. Okay, I have a story. Some time ago, I took my daughter to the hospital. She had a dislocation, so just wanted to like check, do some x-ray and all that. So they couldn't find her folder because actually they've transferred everything to the system. They now use computer. So they couldn't find folder, they couldn't find her record, nothing. I asked them why. I was with a small hand card and they said, it's like it's been so long we came here. I told them, yes, it's over 10 years we came to the hospital. They say, Madam, you have to get a new folder. Why am I saying this? By the grace of God, using natural remedies, me and my family, we hardly fall sick. We hardly go to the hospital. Okay, if I have to go to the hospital, is to actually like visit and pray for those in the hospital, or do some checkup. Like the fact that you're not sick does not mean you shouldn't go for checkups. Once in a while, you could go and check your blood pressure, your sugar level and all that. And to the glory of God, each time I go, everything is normal. So if you keep doing these natural things and every time you go to the hospital, everything is normal, won't you continue? Yes, you would. So that is why I am here to educate you on this. This soursop leaf, you can see, can also help fight cholesterol, bad cholesterol from your body. Yes, it will help get rid of bad cholesterol. So guys, start taking soursop leaf tea. Okay, so next, guys, soursop leaf can help to reduce pain in your body. If you're suffering from arthritis, waist pain, joint pain, or this pain or that pain, start taking soursop leaf tea. Women, I'll talk to you specifically. If you're a woman watching me here today, please look for soursop leaf and start taking it. It is good for your overall health. It is good. Most especially as a woman, you want to prevent breast cancer. Please start taking soursop leaf tea. It has that component, has that property that fights cancer, most especially breast cancer, and for men, prostate cancer. So don't wait until you get sick. Take this tea. It will help you. And this, like I have said before, would also help you achieve beautiful skin. Yes, because it has the properties that helps to detoxify the body. Okay, it helps to clean the body. And when you detoxify regularly, it will radiate, your skin will radiate, it will show. Okay, so this will help fight those acne, eczemas, pimples, and all what not, all those things you're suffering, hyperpigmentation and all that. Soursop leaf will help you a lot. Okay, so start taking soursop leaf tea. It's also good for the heart. Yes, with soursop leaf tea, you would maintain your heart. You have healthy heart. It is so, so good. Okay. So, guys, how do you make soursop leaf tea? I know you have been waiting for that part. Yes, let me tell you. So, what I have here is soursop leaf tea. Like I said, if you can't find it around you, simply check online. Okay, just check online. And one thing I also forgot to mention is that it helps control blood sugar. Yes, this leaf you see helps to control blood sugar. So start taking it if you're someone that your sugar level spikes up a lot and all that, or you're having diabetes. Start taking soursop leaf tea to help you a lot. So one other thing it's very, very good at, one other condition that soursop leaf tea can help with is insomnia. If you're the type that hardly sleep at night, while everybody is sleeping, you are awake, you're just, toasting on your bed, take soursop leaf tea before going to bed, before going to lie down. You would sleep like a baby because this helps to calm the nerves. It helps to soothe the body and helps you to sleep. Okay, so soursop leaf tea would help you sleep if you're suffering from insomnia. The next one is indigestion. If you are suffering from indigestion, bloating, and all that, here it is. Soursop. Soursop leaf. The leaf, this leaf you are seeing is so, so powerful. This will help with everything, stomach problem, constipation, bloating, stomach ache, and all that. This would help you a lot, okay? So you would take the tea. Not that you start chewing it or is the tea. You prepare tea with it. Okay, so guys, please, before I give you before I tell you how to prepare this tea, please give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because on this channel I bring to you information about natural remedies and how this whole thing would benefit you and make you stay healthy and fall sick less often. You will not fall sick by the grace of God, okay? When you start incorporating these natural things into your daily life. So give the video a like, please. It will go a long way to help me and it will encourage me to do more. Okay, to encourage me to bring more of this kind of videos to you, just hit on that like button and hit on the subscribe button as well if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you would be notified. Okay, so are you looking for weight loss recipe that you will take to lose weight, to shed that weight? Soursop leaf tea is here for you. Soursop leaf tea would enable you shed weight because it boosts metabolism. Okay, it helps you burn fat. Yes, you can see me now, mother of 6, still looking kinky, still looking good. That is because of what I teach you here. I practice what I teach you. Okay, even after having 6 children, I still maintain my weight. So you take soursop leaf tea if you want to burn both belly fat and fat over, that is all over your body. Okay, take soursop leaf tea. So I hope you have liked this video. Now I want to tell you how to prepare soursop leaf tea so that you would enjoy this tea just like me and gain the benefit, get all the benefits from this leaf. So what you will do is get your soursop leaf, be it fresh one like this or dried one. When you get it, you take 5 leaves. 5 leaves are okay if you want to just take it as your regular morning tea. 5 is okay. But if you want to burn belly fat or you want to burn fat, you want to shed weight with this tea, take up to 10 to 15. Yes. And when you take up to 10 to 15, you boil you boil that. Okay, let's say you're taking 15 leaves, boil it in a liter of water. From that liter of water, you take 2 cups in the morning, average size cup. Okay, so this is the quantity I'm taking this morning. This is morning right here. So you take it. Then if you just want to take this on a regular basis, just for your morning tea, like instead of taking all these beverages you're not sure of, prepare this and take it as your morning detoxification tea. Okay, so if you want to just take it for overall use, like every day you want to drink it, you just take like 5 leaves, boil in 3 cups of water, and you take it. Then at night too, you can take this for better sleep. Okay, so ordinarily you don't even have to measure. Sometimes you can just cut the leaf 5 3 like that. You just boil in your cup of water and you drink. Okay, but just to be specific, 5 leaves of soursop, be it fresh or dried, is okay. At a time, you boil with 3 cups of water, and when you boil the water, you allow it to boil. The water will reduce a little, and you drink it. Then, if you want to shed weight, if you have that stubborn fat, take up to 10 to 15 leaves, boil in a liter of water, so that you drink in the morning, you drink at night. Okay, so this leaf is so good. It helps to fight sicknesses, reduces pain from your body, improve your skin, helps with the heart, helps to improve your immune system and all that. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please hit on that like button to encourage me to do more, and subscribe if you haven't done so. So who are those that shouldn't take this? Pregnant woman, please, if you are pregnant, leave soursop leaf for after you have delivered. Okay, and even after you have delivered, before you start taking soursop leaf tea, make sure your baby is strong enough. Don't take soursop leaf when your baby is still lactating, like when you're still lactating in the first 6 months. I have a baby of 9 months, and I take it because my baby has started eating other food, so this will not affect him. But if you're still breastfeeding, like you're breastfeeding exclusively, you know that everything you take usually goes to some amount go to the breast milk. Okay, so your baby will take it, and this might not be good for your baby because it is very, very strong. So just to be on the safe side, if you're pregnant and if you're lactating, don't take soursop leaf. When you wean your baby, you can go ahead. For me, I know exactly what I'm doing. That is why I'm taking it. I have a 9-month-old baby, and I'm taking it because I understand it perfectly well. But for you, you can just leave it. When you wean your baby, you take. Okay, so pregnant women and lactating women, leave it. And if you also have a chronic ailment, you can consult with your medical practitioners or doctors to know if you can take this leaf. Okay, if you can take this tea. Okay, so what I share here are things that I have practiced or have used on somebody, or have practiced or used on my children, family members, and all that, and I've seen positive results, and I come here to share with you. So this does not replace any medical advice you get from your doctors or your medical practitioners. Okay, this is just from my own point of view, what I have practiced, or what I practice and what I do, that I've come here to share with you. Okay, so guys, thank you for being here. Please hit on the like button. One more time, I'm saying it, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I would love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed, stay healthy, look good, keep shining, be blessed. Thank you. See you next time.